Today on the Beam channel, I want to talk about how to set up and simulate a cluster of nodes on your desktop machine for development purposes. Now, obviously in production, Erlang and Elixir code frequently runs off of a network of machines. Tolerance for scaling and for all these other reasons, you would have more than one physical piece of hardware running your software. Now, I have one physical computer on my desk. It's a little Intel NUC machine. I do not want to have 6 physical pieces of hardware on my desk. I don't have the budget for it. I don't have the space for it. And quite frankly, it's pointless. So I do the obvious thing, and I use virtual machines with Vagrant. You could use other solutions too. I just happen to like Vagrant. And so I created a simple Vagrant script here that I'll share with you. You can find a link to it just down below. And it creates 4 machines, which I call very creatively Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Yeah. Real exciting. So what it does is it sets up the VM network, it forwards SSH, it does all the other things you want. It adds them all to their etc host file. So you can network between them, which is nice. And then it uses a script to install Erlang and Elixir. And basically the way it works is it just grabs I'm using Ubuntu 18.04. And so it grabs off of the Erlang Solutions website, their package repo, and it installs a bunch of things, including Erlang, Elixir, Erlang, the high-performance Erlang, if you want that, it's included. It also have it include a whole bunch of other things like GCC and Git and tmux and things like that aren't directly related to Erlang or Elixir, but that I find kind of useful. So once I have that, I then have a network of 4 computers, and again, 4 was arbitrary. You could make it be 2 or 6 or however many you have memory for. And I can work with my application in that networked environment. So that is how I build a Vagrant cluster using Erlang for Erlang or Elixir development. If this is useful, please like and share. And I do training courses, and will happily bring any level of Erlang or Elixir knowledge to your company if you give me a shout via the Calendly link below.